This is a used 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, dual temperature controls, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, roof rails, cruise control. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Billy Kane Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 4191 Maysville Road, Commerce, Georgia 30529.